So today I'm going to give you a quick review of the, say, $25 Canadian throttle lock or cruise control from AliExpress. It's just an aluminum rotator here. Mounts really nicely on the Ibex 450. It's like it was made for it. You know, by CFMoto. Works really nice. Wouldn't recommend it to beginners from a safety standpoint, just because it holds the throttle in place and applies pressure. So in a high pressure situation where you need to stop fast, or who knows, and you have to disengage it, it is holding your throttle open. So if you're not a seasoned rider, you might pull the clutch and it starts revving your engine and making you panic and go crazy. Who knows, right? So you have to be very, very comfortable with all your controls and concurrently doing things if you're in a high pressure situation, meaning you can push the throttle back against this throttle lock, clutch, disengage the power, do the brakes, do everything, and it's all second nature and you're not going to panic. This is okay, and I think that's more of a seasoned rider thing. I think if you're a beginner or an intermediate rider, it might be an issue, like in a high pressure situation. So I don't know if I'd recommend it. So let's go try it. I want to show you how it works really quick. So we'll get going here. So we're going to get up to 100 kilometers an hour. That's the speed limit in this zone here. So I'll show you what happens. Okay, so we're up to 100. Now I'm going to turn the lock. So you'll see as I'm turning the lock, look what's happening to my speed. So I've lost 15, 16 kilometers an hour engaging it. So you never want to do this with cars right behind you. You can kind of, like sometimes I kind of try and twist it slowly while I'm, I twist it slowly while I'm at 100, but it's really hard to get it without, it's hard to engage it without losing speed, a significant amount of speed. But now you can see once it's set, it's pretty good. The only factor now is just the wind, because it's not electronic. It's very wind sensitive, so any gust of wind on the bike can drop you down 5 kilometers an hour, and then if the wind goes away, you'll go up 5 kilometers an hour. Like, it's just kind of flip-flops. But overall, I mean, it's great. It takes the constant pressure against your wrist if you're going all day. Like if you're doing 500 kilometers or 350 miles or something like that, like you're taking a lot of the pressure off your wrist of holding the throttle open all day and modulating all day. So it's kind of nice in that respect. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. For 25 bucks, you can't go wrong. The build quality is great. It's like it was built by CFMoto for this bike. But from a safety perspective, not really great for a beginner or an intermediate rider, You could get into a pickle in a high pressure situation. So now I'm going to just disengage it, right? So just turn it. So I just do this, right? So, and now you see it's disengaged. Everything's loosey-goosey, right? So it's all good. So it's fantastic. I mean, for the price, fantastic. Totally recommend. It's, in my opinion, not worth 60 times more for an MC Cruise electronic one, but I mean, the MC Cruise does have all the safety things, like it'll disengage with the clutch and the brake and all that wonderful stuff. It's not going to keep your throttle open, so from that perspective, I mean, it's hands down better, but 60 times better? I don't know. I wouldn't say so. Have a great day.